Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are doing banana pudding today. Do you remember when I bought this instant pudding from Aldi, but I didn't mean to buy instant pudding because I was like, oh shoot, I bought instant pie pudding filling. And one of the lovely people, one of you guys said that this is actually good. So I didn't feel so bad afterwards, okay? So normally when I make my banana pudding, I use cooked pudding. But oh well, we're experimenting today, okay? But I did speed it up a little bit. I went on and mixed up the pudding, and all you had to do was put the package in the bowl, put 2 cups of cold milk and whisk it, and then it forms to pudding form. So I did taste it. It does have a good taste. I did add a little sugar because I do that even with my regular pudding that I buy. I always add some sugar because I gotta put it to my liking, okay? So we're going to look at the other ingredients and go ahead and start assembling this thing. Now, if this turns out good, I'ma tell you, I'm gonna be buying instant from now on because this was so super quick. I mean, didn't take any time. So I already layered my little cookies out, my little first layer. We got some bananas over here. We got the pudding. And then we got Cool Whip. That's the unexpected ingredient. So we're gonna take the bananas, of course, and we're going to start to just cut the bananas up and get them in for a layer before we put the pudding down. And then we'll just alternate like that. I experimented with the Cool Whip, okay? Let me tell you how I started doing the Cool Whip. We had went to this dessert place here in High Point, and the pudding was good. And I was telling my husband, I said, I don't know what they doing to that pudding, but it almost had like a whipped kind of consistency. So I told my sister, and we were trying to figure out like, what do you think they're using? I said, I think they're using Cool Whip. Well, I don't know if they're using Cool Whip or not, but I sure did my rendition of it because y'all know how I do. I like to do that. So we've got the pudding, and we're going to open up the Cool Whip, and we're going to put some Cool Whip in, but we're not going to put the whole thing of Cool Whip because we got to get it to be the consistency that we want it to be. Okay, now we've got the Cool Whip. Let's just put some in here. And I already know we're gonna need some more. We gonna need some more. Ooh, girl, it's gonna be good. Ooh. The more Cool Whip. Get them out. All right, so we gotta taste it, okay? You got to taste when you're cooking because you gotta make sure it tastes right. Get a spoon. Let's taste it. I like that. No more Cool Whip. That's just right. We're gonna leave it. That's tasty. Well, I set the Cool Whip over here. Now, let me get my spoon. I want to put my Cool Whip up, guys. I don't want to leave it out. All right, so let's could have poured it, but I don't want to pour too much. Spread it out. Ooh. Ooh. That don't look like that mixed up too good right there. That's all right. It's still gonna be good. Ooh. More cookies. More bananas. Now, if you're concerned about it looking pretty, you could always crunch up your vanilla wafers. Just crunch them up and then sprinkle them on there. But no, we're about time right today. I still have to make my dinner. So no, we're not doing that. Now, we're gonna taste it, but I'm gonna taste it in a little bit after I've let it sit in the refrigerator and get a little cool and set up. So I'll be back. So I let it sit in the refrigerator a little while. I'm just gonna dip it out. You can kind of see what it looks like on the sides. I probably should get a spoon because I don't want that much. Yeah. So there you have it. Let me know in the comments below the video if you guys are going to try the recipe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.